Wada firstborn daughter. Ibu ezinụlọ egbukwana gị. Ọbụlakwa cho. You are providing for everything. Do you want to die? You don't provide for everything for adults. You persuade your adult brothers to find something doing, even if it is 20,000 naira. Hello, at my age, I still snatch my mother's money. I'm not ashamed to say it. I snatch my mother's money. Hello, I receive money from my brothers as the Ada. I am that kind of Ada, that useless Ada. Yes. Firstborn daughters and firstborn sons. Ibu ezinụlọ egbukwe n'unu. Ọbụlakwa chọ akpawa nkata na akọwa chọ. What am I because you are a small girl. You already your family sponsor. You saw opportunity and you fell in love. Fell in love how? It's not possible for a teenager to love that fallen scrotal sack. No, a teenage girl. You understand? But you already a sponsor. Ada, Wada. That your family, that your brother, that your sister. They will go and marry. He go shock, he say, I get money pass your fake. Oh, your brothers will go and marry. And they will be nice to their family. And they will not allow you to interfere. Your sisters will go and marry husband. And then you will become stranded. Ada, be selfish to an extent. In my family, when there is a need, we do contribution. I'm sorry. If I say how much is 20,000 contribution, okay. It's 10,000, it's 5,000, 2 kobo. We do contribution. Ada. Ibu ezinụlọ egbukwe na gị ọbụlakwa cho. You just die before your time. You just crumble. You will just shrink. You will just become old. Hello? And by the time you are in your 30s, and you look at the people you labored hard for, I think, is it because of canvas? Is it because cho? Like Anna your bill, better be me Igbo as my brother. Are you okay? The daughter that is providing literally everything. One understand a papa alone na manage. He be say ba he Igbo. Ada. Ibu ezinụlọ egbukwana gị. Be selfish or you will die. Ka nna agwa Ada ka nna agwa diokpara. Ibu ezinụlọ egbukwana unu. Akoyeri.